Hello everyone, you're watching Jana FX, and in this video I'm going to share with you results of AutoTrading Gold with JFX Line Trader Pro Expert Advisor, and it is a November month result. So you can see at this moment, guys, the total amount I have is 8,600. That's how big the account right now, and the result is I'm going to show you as a custom period, so you know exactly that I'm showing you from the 1st of November, right? So you see 1st November was Sunday, and I'm doing it up until 1st of December, which is today, but I'm making this video on 30th November when all the trades are finished, and so it's not going to miss the last day of trading. And so now you're going to see the results. So look at this, guys. This month we made $880.65. That's the best month so far at this moment. It's been running for I think about 5 months, 6 months, and we had September wasn't very fantastic month. We had some losses, but this month, look at this, and we're already in profit. Okay, but I want it to run for a year. You know, for the year it's better to run it for a little bit longer and to see, but it covered the losses and it's made us profit. So this month was a great month. It was the best result it was showing this month. We actually changed a little bit the recovery system, and I think maybe that helped, it's much better result than we had previous months. It was like about roughly 1 month $300 and $500, and this month is like $880. Really good. So, and I want to show you, of course, the main issue I'm worried about always with this automatic trading is the lot size, because we have the lot size starting with 0.04, which is usually split, and then half of it closes with the profit, and the half usually runs on by trailing stop. And as you can see, pretty much it is 0.02, so the lot was nicely split. But then it gets into a bad trade, it tries to recover it, right? And the lot size, as you can see, it started to increase. And we have this month, maximum lot size went up to 0.64. Okay, guys, I'm showing you all of these, all the lot sizes, so you know that the small account, like $1,000 account or $500 account, is not enough. Okay, it's very risky for such small accounts. For big accounts, that's the result. I mean, okay, this month it was only 0.64. Remember, it was in September. We went up to about 3 lots, and that's why we looked at a little bit different recovery system. I've changed it, and the programmer rebuilt a bit of the EA, and so you see this month the lot size only went up to 0.64. Completely hands-free. I was actually keeping an eye on it just to see the situation on the market, because gold I'm trading also manually, semi-automatic, where I actually look for entry points. And I have to say that actually with the EA it worked out better than my trades. I didn't do all the trades, but the EA took pretty much every single trade it possibly could, and you see how good the result is, like made just on gold around 11% this month on its own. So, and with the lot size only went 0.64, so but still it's not good for a very small account. So you can see the risks. I'm showing you all this, guys. I'm the most honest person to show you what the risks you can have. You see, I'm not running and telling you, oh, look, we made $880. Wow, this is so cool. Everybody going to make it. No. Okay, so that the risk, yes, the lot size grows, but you see how big it's grown this month. We had a flat in gold for I think nearly a week. It was okay about 3 days, and so that's what I was worried about. When it goes into a flat, it's that's when it gets into a bad situation with gold, right? And that's why you need to be really careful. I mean, okay, there is another setting in there to reduce the lot size. You see, we have a little bit banking the profits while it was recovering, and so with another option we could reduce the lot size every time it banks the lot, the profit, but I didn't want to touch it. You see, I didn't want to touch it, but I mean, if it would probably go very dramatically, like when it's like went to 0.64, I was thinking maybe it would need to be changed that setting can be changed during the process. Okay, so when it's like goes too high, it's possible to go in the EA and change it to reduce lot size. And then of course it wouldn't be that big, but I'm leaving the same settings because that's how I was using it previously. And then we had a bad month in September, so that's what I want to see, how it's coping with this situation now. Okay, and so we can compare. So right now I can see it's coping quite well. It got in the same situation as it was in September when it went into that flat channel for a while. And you see now, because we are banking, the account is growing, and that's why it gets a little bit lower risk when the lot size growing quite high. So yeah, let's see how it will perform next month, December and January. Those are some worse months for tradings. Also, like the summer months, like I don't like June, July, August, especially August, for example. I mean, this December and January, I don't know, it could be very flat. That's what happens because of holidays, but we need more volatile market, bigger moves. But December now, January could be very flat, and so like I'm saying, that's the main risk. Okay, so that's why we're going to see what's going to happen, and of course I will share it with you guys what is going to do EA with this situation, how it will perform. But at this moment, this is the result. And if you are interested in the EA, guys, you can find links in the description under this video. Again, it's the beginning of the month, December. It's good to join for Patreon especially. And also there is on Fiverr and a special discount if you would want to rent it for 6 months or 1 year. And I'm going to tell you guys that in 2021, we are definitely going to increase the price. A lot of people are interested in the EA because it's very nice as a tool. And that's what I like it to use the most. Yes, I apply it as fully automatic, but still recommend to use it as a tool. Very useful tool for MT4. MT5 it's also working. I'm just working with MT4, and like I'm saying, it's really cool to place your positions, you know, and you can set up the stops, the take profits, trailing stop, closing half position, so and trade few pairs at the same time, and you don't need to worry to control and jump, you know, and you know, to get in time trailing stop on one on another, or third pair or fifth pair. So you can like trade 20 pairs and they all would be having the settings you want to have, right? So easier to control. That's why, yeah, guys, see, I'm not sure yet when we're going to increase the price, but right now it's only $20 a month. And of course, when it will be the last moment, I will announce that that's it, guys, that's the deadline. I don't know, sometime January or February it will be. And believe me, after that, there is no way it would be possible to get for such a very, very low, like I'm saying, it's like pretty much symbolic number, because yes, it gets quite it's quite serious, the CA, and yeah, it gets quite a lot of attention now. So just for my viewers, okay, for my subscribers, still you can subscribe with a very low subscription price for it. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, of course, and happy trading. And actually it is first day of winter, so I want to say to you, have a also nice and happy winter. And it's New Year soon, very soon. It's only few weeks, okay, only few weeks. It's only 1 month left. So yeah, that's it for now. I see you in my next video. Bye.